Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take AI. Today in this video, let's learn about how to resize videos on Picsart. So let's get started. For that, let's get into Picsart app and make sure you are logged into it. Now over here, we need to click on this plus icon and add a video of your choice. So let's go for this one and click on next. Now to resize it, we can see this option called crop, and you can crop it as per your choice. And if you want to edit the clip and make it shorter or smaller, you can click on this icon, and now we need to reduce the size here. So this is the endpoint. You can simply decrease it to the endpoint you want to make it. You can change the starting point or you can edit some middle portions as well. Once you are done, you can also split it and delete one portion. So after doing this, your resizing will be done, and click on apply on the top right and click on save, and the video will be resized and saved. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.